Hello, fourth graders. I wanted to try something new this week with regards to reading. And what I've done is I've pushed out a reading response. It's digital in Google Classroom, reading Google Classroom. So, what is going to happen is on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you are going to be listening to a chapter from 24 Hours and Nowhere and then responding in this digital copy of the reading response journal. So this is what it's going to look like when you open the assignment, and the assignment is labeled April 20th through 24th, 24 Hours and Nowhere, digital reading response. Okay. And then when you click this, so this is the cover. So on the cover, you're going to type your name here. Okay. Right here, type your name. Then on the second slide, so slides 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So slides 2 through 7 take you through the different responses. So on these slides, it says reading response, and then it says choose a sentence starter from the following categories. You should choose a different sentence starter each day. There are so many sentence starters that picking the same one should not even be an option. Okay, so on slide 2, the categories here are use prior knowledge. So use these sentence starters to write about what you have seen, experienced, or read and how it relates to what you are currently reading. Then the other one would be ask questions. Use these sentence starters to write about questions you have as you read. So you're going to use either these sentence starters, these sentence starters, and I'm not assigning you the sentence starters. I'm going to let you choose which sentence starters you would like to use. Okay, so this is slide 2. Slide 3, make predictions, and there's some sentence starters with making predictions. Visualize, there's some sentence starters with visualize. Make connections, sentence starters. Infer, sentence starters. Monitor and clarify, sentence starters. Evaluate the text, sentence starters. Summarize, sentence starters. Author's craft, sentence starters. And then finally, characters, sentence starters. So tell me about the characters. And then reflection, sentence starters. Okay? Then my expectations. So what I'm looking for when I go in and look at this reader's response on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I'm looking for your responses being related to the chapter that you just listened to. So for example, on Monday, you're going to listen to chapter 1. So I'm expecting your responses to be related to chapter 1. Okay? Responses should be in complete sentences. Use the sentence starters. I just went through 5 slides with different sentence starters that you can use to reflect on what you just listen to. Responses should be at least 3 to 5 sentences. I'm not asking for a lot here, okay? So what I want you to think of this assignment in terms of is kind of like the read aloud portion of our JE, but with the read aloud, you are going back and you're doing some reflection, okay? I will update this because this should actually say Thursday. The district has changed kind of the days that you're going to be working on assignments from your classroom teacher. So this will be done on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, so here's what I'll be looking for in each of those days. Then you actually get to go in, you can copy and paste the emojis from this sheet. It tells you right over here how to use them. Okay, you're going to copy and paste the emoji with your feelings about the reading each day. Okay, so right here would be where you're going to respond for Monday. So Monday, type the date. So Monday's date will be April 20th. Then right here, I have actually linked the video. So if you click this, this is going to take you to a hyperlink. Right here is a hyperlink to the read aloud for chapter 1. Type the chapter title, which it's a time, by the author is Dusty Bowling. And then you can put the pages read, which again, those will be on your screen. So you can just do it right from the video. And then right down here in this box is where you are going to start typing your response. Okay, so using those sentence starters, you're going to type 3 to 5 sentences. Then down here is where you're going to copy and paste one of the emojis from the So Emotional slide. So how are you feeling about what you read today? Okay, so this is Monday, so you'll complete this page for Monday. The next one is Wednesday, and I've linked the read aloud for chapter 2 right here for 24 Hours of Nowhere. Same process. And then finally, you'll do that for Thursday. Okay, so Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, you're going in listening to a chapter a day. It's about 10 minutes. and then you're going to respond. So this shouldn't take you more than 15-20 minutes to complete this assignment each day. Okay? If there are questions, please feel free to reach out. But like I said, everything will be pushed out in a reading Google Classroom. When you go into the readings, I am reading and you're actually going to see the pages on the screen. So you can actually be reading along with me, reading it aloud, or you're welcome to read a chapter on your own from 24 Hours of Nowhere if you would prefer to do that rather than listening to me read. Okay. But I have broken it down by chapter. Any questions? Let me know. Happy reading.